Hello students, since you have decided to go through the SAP for Beginners course, I am assuming that the course will generate some amount of interest already in you. SAP, the largest ERP software in the industry, is a ocean of knowledge. It is takes considerable time and education and perseverance to learn SAP. But once you learn SAP, once you know how SAP works, there is a window of opportunity opens to you for your personal career growth and also do good for the industry where you are serving. I am aware many of you who work in maybe in shop floor, who work maybe in sales, marketing, or maybe in other function might have not got opportunity to go through the SAP transaction or to understand SAP from a teacher. I have been working with SAP for more than 25 years, and during this period, I have dealt with numerous people in all spheres of industry whom I have introduced them to SAP, and also I have implemented large number of SAP projects and also provided support. So therefore, I plan to share my knowledge through a video and invite all of you to take benefit of the session. I have decided this course in different parts or divisions. Every section has a purpose, and I have tried to link the relationship of SAP and business crystal clear in very simple language so that the common people who do not have any IT background also will be in a position to appreciate the beauty of SAP. There are a lot of myth around SAP where many people feel that to learn SAP one has to be very good in IT. Honestly speaking, many people who have been SAP professional and who have actually shown in life they are not from IT background. The purpose of my speaking to you today is actually to introduce you in the new world of SAP. Post this course, you may pursue in other areas of study and then decide whether you want to pursue SAP as a career opportunity or else if you actually use it for the purpose of understanding and usage of SAP for your particular business, even the organization you are working, that also will be benefited a lot. It is difficult to cover everything in one module. I have tried to cover the important portion and also has given some link to learn something more on your own. However, if any one of you feel interested and want to get more information, please connect with me in social media or write me an email. I will definitely be in touch with you. I wish all of you happy learning. Thank you very much.